Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth devices not connecting on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. So if you have a Bluetooth device that you want to connect but you're having trouble with it, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to try and fix that. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, tap on connections, then Bluetooth, and toggle it on and off. So just click the toggle to turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on for it to reset. So then you should start seeing the device that you want to connect to in this available devices section. So if you're still not seeing it, you could try unpairing and repairing the device in the Bluetooth settings. So if there is a device that you're connected to and you've connected to it previously and you're having trouble now, just find a device right here, forget about it, just click the forget button, and then reconnect to it back again. Then what you can also do is restart the Bluetooth device that you're trying to connect to and the phone itself. So to restart the phone, we need to open up the control panel, expand it, click on the power icon on the top right, and then hit restart. And that will restart your phone, and it will do a soft reset, and it should fix your issue. And the last thing that you can try doing is updating the software of your phone. So the latest software comes out with a few bug fixes, and maybe the Bluetooth connectivity issues is one of them. So to update the software, we need to open up the settings, scroll down to software update, tap on that, then click on download and install, and it's going to check if you have a new update available, and if it does, it's going to start downloading it. And if you don't have an update, you can just skip this section of the video. So once it finishes downloading, just click on update, go through the update process. It's pretty straightforward. And once you're done, you're going to be on the new version and your Bluetooth connectivity bug might be fixed. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.